What is a sequence? A sequence in programming is an ordered set of instructions or tasks. In case if you follow the wrong order, then the task cannot be achieved or you may get the unexpected results. Example of sequence is an algorithm, which is a detailed step-by-step process that needs to be followed in order to complete a task or to solve a problem. Benefits of using sequences in coding. Our manner of thinking can be easily replicated in sequence programming. Sequence of programming reflects logical thinking. The above routine may vary from person to person, but for a specific person, this might be the routine. An algorithm is a process or set of rules which need to be followed to solve the given problem. Example, algorithm to calculate the sum of two numbers. Step 1. Input first number, num1. Step 2. Input second number, num2. Step 3. Sum equals num1 plus num2. Step 4. Print sum. In the above example, if we swap step 3 and step 4, that is, if you are instructing your computer to print sum first and after that add num1 and num2, the program will not give the required result or give an error. This is called a bug. We will discuss the bug in detail later in the chapter.